Hey guys, good to see you all in this video. Last week, me, Teresa, Daisy and Renee had a great time. We went to the forest in the Malibu. I captured all the beautiful moments in my camera. Now you guys enjoy watching those clips. The best part of the camping is food, so let's start our video from there. We all have food together and today Daisy served food for us. Oh, the food is not truly delicious. But the time with my friends made it more delicious. You guys may wonder why Nikki is not here. Because she went to the parlor with my sister Skipper. She told me she'll join us in the next camping. After having food, we all used to sit near the campfire. Do you know what's the best part of the campfire? Definitely marshmallows. Oh no, Renee spoiled her marshmallow. Oh no, Renee spoiled her marshmallow. Again. And then I used to sing a song for my friends. You too hear that once for me.
It's you, yeah, boy, the one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
After the song, Renee and Teresa used to relax in the tent near the campfire. Daisy loves swing, and yes, here she goes. Fishing, 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 I don't like it, I avoid it. But fishing likes me, I can't avoid it, ha ha ha. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it, again. I am vexed. Finally, here we go. Definitely I'll post it in Barbiegram. I am tired. I think Daisy is also tired. Let's enjoy the sunset together. And here comes the funniest part of the day. Let's bath and swim in the sea. Okay, let's get ready. And finally we all go to the tent and sleep. We all enjoyed our best time together in this camp. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till now. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get instant notification. See you all in my next video, bye.
Ooh.